bringing it,
Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions. Hope you all good and have a great day. And today I'm gonna to show you how you can remove the fence from your image in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So step number 1, take a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Rename the layer as Content Aware Fill because justification is more important. Now go to the quick mask mode by pressing this option. Take your brush tool and adjust the hardness to 100% and paste and paint it above the fence like this. I am fasting the video and friends, when you are done, click this quick mask mode with control and the selection turns into selected area. Now go to the edit, choose content aware fill wait for a few minutes and choose output to new layer and hit OK and press Ctrl D to deselect it. And Photoshop done a really magic. Here is the before and here is the after. And guys, if any of the queries regarding this tutorial, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.